Okay, this is November 2015, paper 2, question 1. And it's a question on probability. The events A and B are such that probability of A and B are the numbers given, and A union B is 0.18, and the probability of A intersect B. So we need to use the relationship, or in fact I'm just going to go through how the relationship works. Well, probability of A union B is this probability joining A and B together, whereas the probability of A is this section and the probability of B is this section. So if you add A and B together, the problem you get is that you're counting this middle section here as part of the blue and as part of the green. So it gets counted twice. So it doesn't exactly give you the same answer as the red section. In fact, because you've counted them twice, what you need to do is say, well, the red section, probability of A union B, is equal to the probability of the blue section, probability of A, plus the probability of B, but we've counted the middle section, the yellow section, twice, so let's take it away, minus the probability of A intersect B. This rule is in the formula booklet, so you don't need to memorise it, but it's always worth revisiting why it's true. And we've got 3 out of 4 of those numbers, so I can just fill them in. 0.818 equals 0.65 plus 0.48 minus the thing we're trying to find, which I'm just going to call P, to save myself some writing, and then just solve for P, and you get P is equal to 0.312. That's part A done. Part B asks you to hence conclude that the two things A and B are independent. And the way to do that is to say, well, what's the probability of A times the probability of B? Same colour coding as before, 0.65 times 0.48, and again you need to do that calculation, and if you do, you'll get the answer 0.312. Well, that looks awfully familiar because we just worked out that was the probability of A intersects B, and that's a rule for independence. If the probability of A times B is equal to the probability of A intersects B, then that means that they are independent. Make sure, in order to get the reasoning mark, that you write a sentence to that effect. Since PA times PB equals P of A intersect B, the two events are independent. Otherwise, you might not be awarded it, and you don't want to miss out on the mark when you've done all the work you need to.